When it comes to dash cams, most drivers settle for basic setups, a front-facing camera, or maybe a front and rear combo for extra coverage. But what if you could elevate your dashcam experience to a whole new level? What if your system could not only watch the road ahead, but also monitor behind your vehicle and inside your cabin, in full color, even at night? That's exactly what the REDTIGER F17 Elite 4K 3-channel dash cam promises. With a 4K front camera, 2.5K rear camera, and 1080p interior camera, dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, and advanced night vision technology, it aims to provide complete visual protection. The question is, does it truly deliver on all that promise? Let's take a closer look at its design, performance, and practicality after putting it through real-world use. From the moment you unbox the F17 Elite, it feels like a premium product. The main unit is solid, sleek, and well-built, with a 3-inch touchscreen that's bright, responsive, and intuitive to navigate. Swiping through settings, previewing footage, or switching between camera views is smooth, giving the system a modern, almost smartphone-like feel. Voice control is a nice addition, letting you start or stop recording, lock clips, or toggle Wi-Fi hands-free. Perfect for staying focused on driving. Even though it's a 3-camera setup, REDTIGER has kept the form factor compact enough that it doesn't clutter your windshield or obstruct your view. The package includes a 128GB micro SD card, and the cabling for the front, rear, and interior cameras is clearly labeled, which simplifies installation. Still, routing the cables for the rear and cabin cameras does require some patience, especially if you want a clean, professional-looking setup. Installing the F17 Elite is more involved than a typical dash cam because you're dealing with 3 cameras and an optional hardwire kit for full parking mode functionality. The instructions are clear, and the connectors make installation straightforward. But if you're not confident with vehicle electronics, professional installation is recommended. Once powered on, the system boots quickly, and the touchscreen interface makes navigating menus effortless. From adjusting resolution and exposure to enabling parking surveillance or voice commands, everything is just a few taps away. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connection is a standout feature, allowing rapid transfer of large 4K video files via the REDTIGER Cam app, a noticeable improvement over traditional 2.4 GHz connections. The F17 Elite's dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors are at the core of its impressive video quality. The front camera captures native 4K footage with sharp detail, balanced colors, and excellent dynamic range, ensuring license plates, street signs, and road textures are easy to read even under challenging lighting. The rear camera records in 2.5K, providing clear, usable footage that maintains detail at night, while the interior camera delivers full-color night vision, a rare feature among cabin cams. Thanks to REDTIGER's Night Guard technology, low-light recording is remarkably good. Even in dark parking lots or during nighttime city driving, you can see inside the cabin and around the rear of your car without losing important details. HDR on both the front and rear cameras further ensures highlights and shadows are handled gracefully, preventing blown-out areas or overly dark spots. In daily use, the F17 Elite runs quietly and efficiently. It powers on with the ignition, begins recording automatically, and supports continuous loop recording. The built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts and automatically locks the relevant clips, protecting them from being overwritten. Voice control adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to lock videos, take snapshots, or toggle functions without touching the screen. The GPS module logs routes, speed, and location, making it easy to review trips or provide evidence in case of an incident. During extended drives, the system remained stable, with no overheating or performance drops, indicating that the hardware and heat management are solid. The F17 Elite is not just a driving companion, It's a vigilant guardian when parked. With all-day parking monitoring, it detects motion or collisions and automatically records short clips. This feature requires a hardwire kit, which is included in some bundles. Once installed, it functions reliably, offering two modes: time-lapse recording to conserve storage and impact-triggered recording to capture unexpected events. Sensitivity levels are adjustable, reducing false alarms while maintaining security, making it a robust solution for protecting your vehicle against vandalism or hit-and-run incidents. Storage flexibility is excellent. The included 128GB microSD card handles multiple high-resolution streams, and the system supports cards up to 512GB for extended recording. Loop recording ensures continuous coverage without worrying about running out of space. Thanks to 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, the REDTIGER app lets you download, view, or share footage quickly, even large 4K files. GPS tracking and app connectivity provide full oversight of your trips, while the touchscreen interface makes adjustments fast and intuitive. The F17 Elite is ideal for anyone who wants comprehensive coverage. Commuters benefit from front and rear recording, while rideshare and delivery drivers gain the added security of a full-color cabin camera. Parents can monitor teen drivers, and road trip enthusiasts can capture every angle of scenic drives. Its performance in low-light and nighttime conditions ensures footage is reliable and detailed, making it practical for a wide variety of real-world scenarios. At $366, the REDTIGER F17 Elite is a high-end 3-channel dashcam that offers comprehensive coverage, excellent night vision, and fast Wi-Fi connectivity. Priced higher than standard dash cams, it's justified by its feature set: 4K front recording, full-color night vision, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, all-day parking mode, GPS tracking, and voice control. For drivers who prioritize safety, security, and peace of mind, the F17 Elite is a top-tier choice. A next-generation dashcam that truly captures every angle, every time.